Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the top-performing appliances redefining home care and technology, including cutting-edge laundry machines and smart wearables. Stay tuned as we break down features, benefits, and why these products could be game changers for your everyday life. The Siemens IQ 709 kilogram heat pump. Tumble dryer is a premium appliance designed for efficiency and convenience in modern homes. With a 9-kilogram capacity, it is ideal for large households, offering an impressive drying performance with reduced energy consumption. The heat pump technology is a standout feature as it uses low temperatures to dry clothes gently while saving up to 50% on energy compared to conventional dryers. The appliance is equipped with auto-dry technology, which ensures your clothes are perfectly dried without the risk of over-drying. It also includes multiple drying programs such as cottons, delicates, and sportswear to cater to different fabric types. The Home Connect feature allows you to control the dryer remotely via an app, making it easy to manage your laundry from anywhere. For added convenience, the Siemens IQ 700 features self-cleaning condenser, reducing maintenance effort by automatically cleaning the condenser during the drying process. Its anti-vibration design ensures that the dryer operates quietly, even at high spin speeds, making it a great addition to your home. Additionally, the dryer is energy efficient with an A++ rating, contributing to long-term savings on your utility bills. Overall, this dryer provides a reliable, eco-friendly solution for daily laundry needs, offering a perfect balance of performance, energy efficiency, and convenience. The Bosch WTX87EH0TR 9-kilogram tumble dryer is an advanced appliance that combines efficiency technology and convenience to meet modern household needs. With its 9-kilogram capacity, it is perfect for families, offering plenty of space for large loads. The dryer features heat pump technology, which uses lower drying temperatures to protect fabrics while maintaining energy efficiency, earning it an A++ energy rating. This makes it an eco-friendly choice that reduces electricity costs. A highlight of this model is the auto-dry technology, which uses sensors to detect moisture levels and adjust drying time, accordingly preventing over-drying and keeping garments in excellent condition. The dryer includes a wide array of drying programs such as sportswear, Allergy Plus, and delicates, catering to various fabric types and specific needs. Its Iron Assist feature uses steam to reduce wrinkles, minimizing the need for ironing. Connectivity is another standout feature as the dryer integrates with the Home Connect app, enabling remote control and monitoring via smartphone. This adds a level of convenience for busy users. The self-cleaning condenser reduces maintenance, ensuring consistent performance over time. Furthermore, the dryer operates with low noise levels thanks to its anti-vibration design, making it a quiet addition to any home. The Bosch WTX87EH0TR combines performance, smart technology, and energy savings, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a high-quality tumble dryer. Miele TSF763WP Eco Speed 8 kilograms. A plus heat. Pump dryer stands out as a premium choice for efficient and gentle laundry drying with its A++ energy. Efficiency rating: this machine combines sustainability with top-tier performance-saving energy while ensuring excellent drying results. The EcoSpeed technology enables faster drying without compromising energy efficiency, making it suitable for households that value both time and eco-consciousness. Its 8-kilogram capacity is ideal for medium-sized families handling larger loads with ease. Miele's fragrance. Dose system allows you to add a touch of freshness to your laundry, with optional fragrance flacons ensuring clothes smell delightful after each cycle. The Perfect Dry sensor technology ensures precise drying by detecting residual moisture and water hardness levels, avoiding over-drying and preserving fabric quality. Built with Miele's legendary durability, the TSF763 WP boasts a honeycomb drum design, which protects delicate fabrics by creating a cushion of air between clothes and the drum. The machine also features quiet operation, making it perfect for use at any time without disturbing your household. For added convenience, it includes intuitive touch controls, multiple drying programs for various fabric types, and advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity via the Miele at Home system, allowing Grammar Cosmawam and calm dang control through your smartphone. This dryer is an excellent choice for those seeking efficiency, reliability, and advanced features to care for their clothing and the environment. Samsung DV90 CGC0A0ABAH 9 kilogram. Heat pump dryer is designed for energy efficiency and high performance, making it a top choice for modern households. With a 9 kilogram capacity, it accommodates large laundry loads, perfect for families or individuals with demanding laundry needs. The dryer uses heat pump technology, which not only dries clothes effectively but also conserves energy, achieving an A++ energy efficiency rating. This model features optimal dry technology, utilizing sensors to monitor humidity temperature and drying time to ensure that clothes are dried gently and efficiently. The reversible door offers flexibility in installation, allowing you to configure the machine according to your space. The air wash technology is another standout feature, refreshing clothes and removing odors without the need for water or detergents. Additionally, the Smart Control Plus integration provides a user-friendly interface and enables remote control and monitoring through a smartphone app, enhancing convenience for tech-savvy users. The Hygiene Care Plus program ensures thorough sanitation by removing bacteria and allergens, making it a great choice for sensitive skin or allergen-prone environments. Its quiet operation and sleek design further elevate its appeal, fitting seamlessly into any home. This dryer combines advanced features with eco-conscious performance, making it an excellent investment for those seeking reliability, efficiency, and convenience in their laundry routine. The Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo redefines home laundry with its state-of-the-art features and a stylish, customizable design that fits seamlessly into any modern living space, combining a washer and dryer into one compact unit. It saves space while delivering high-performance cleaning and drying in a single appliance. Powered by AI-enhanced technology, this combo automatically adjusts water levels, temperature, and cycle times based on the load's weight, fabric type, and soil level, ensuring optimal care for your clothes with minimal effort. The innovative AI EcoBubble trademark technology premixes detergent with water and air to create fine, ultra-efficient cleaning bubbles that penetrate fabrics quickly, even in cold water. This ensures deep cleaning while reducing energy consumption. Its hygiene steam feature eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria and allergens, making it an excellent choice for families with sensitive skin or allergy concerns. Designed for convenience, the Bespoke AI Laundry Combo is Wi-Fi enabled and integrates seamlessly with Samsung's SmartThings app, allowing users to schedule, monitor, and customize cycles from their smartphone. The Silent Dry technology ensures quiet operation, perfect for open-plan homes or shared spaces. With its AI wash sensors, it uses real-time monitoring to determine the optimal detergent amount and wash intensity, reducing waste and protecting fabrics. What sets this appliance apart is its customizable aesthetic. Its bespoke panels can be tailored to match your home decor, available in various colors and finishes. It also boasts excellent energy efficiency with Energy Star certification, offering eco-conscious performance that lowers utility costs. This combo is an ideal choice for modern households looking for cutting-edge technology, efficiency, and style in one innovative solution.